Looking to capture breathtaking aerial shots in 2024? In this video, we'll dive into the best drones for aerial photography, featuring top-of-the-line cameras, stable flight, and impressive features that make each shot stunning. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, these drones will elevate your photography game to new heights. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. Xiaomi V198GPS Camera Drone. The Xiaomi V198GPS 8K ultra-high-definition drone, a cutting-edge quadcopter designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Compact yet powerful, this drone weighs only 236 grams and features a foldable design for ultimate portability. Capture breathtaking visuals with its 8K ultra-high-definition camera. Equipped with multiple stabilization technologies, optical, gimbal, and electronic, it ensures smooth and crystal-clear footage every time. The drone also supports 4K and 6K video recording, catering to various creative needs. Its omnidirectional sensing system offers unmatched flight precision and safety, with sensors covering all angles. Laser obstacle avoidance further enhances its navigation, while GPS keeps your drone secure and on track. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a replaceable 3000 mAh battery. Control is seamless via an app, remote control, or Wi-Fi connection. For stunning aerial photography and a reliable flying experience, choose the Xiaomi V198GPS drone. Number 4. Guig S 8K Camera Drone. The Guig S Drone Professional, an innovative drone designed for stunning aerial photography and seamless performance. Its compact folding size of 15 by 9 by 9.5 centimeters expands into a stable flying platform, ready for creative adventures. Equipped with an 8K camera and 50x optical zoom, this drone captures breathtaking details, perfect for both enthusiasts and professionals. It also supports 1080p HD video recording, ensuring versatility in your projects. With a 7.4V 2200 mAh battery, the Guig S drone delivers up to 25 minutes of flight time. Charging is simple with a USB cable, and its 2.7 km transmission range offers excellent control. The remote reaches distances of up to 2,000 meters, with GPS and omnidirectional sensing ensuring precision and safety. Whether controlled via its app or 5G Wi-Fi, the Guig S drone is ideal for anyone seeking high-quality aerial shots and effortless operation. Number 3. Holystone HS720E 4K Drone. The Holystone HS720E Professional 4K Drone is a powerhouse built for adventure. It features stunning 4K UHD video at 30 frames per second, capturing every detail in vivid quality. With a 130 degrees field of view and a 2-axis gimbal, your footage stays smooth and stable, even in breezy conditions. Equipped with GPS and advanced features like auto return and follow mode, this drone is incredibly user-friendly. Its brushless motors and anti-wind capability ensure reliable performance indoors and outdoors. With a robust 46-minute combined flight time, you'll have plenty of time to explore. Control is intuitive with its 5 GHz FPV connection and app integration. The 4-channel controller supports Mode 1 and Mode 2, adapting to various flying styles. Weighing just 495 grams, the HS720E is portable yet durable. It comes with everything you need: camera, batteries, and instructions. Elevate your aerial photography today with the Holystone HS720E. Number 2. Potensic C0 4K Drone. The Potensic C0 4K Camera Drone is a mini marvel built for adventure. With a 3-axis gimbal and 4K UHD resolution, it delivers sharp, stable visuals perfect for beginners and professionals alike. At under 249 grams, it's ultra-portable and compliant with most drone regulations. This drone is equipped with GPS, ensuring precise navigation and easy return-to-home functionality. Its app control feature makes flying intuitive and fun. The impressive 6-kilometer remote range and flight time of up to 30 minutes let you capture more without interruption. The package includes everything you need: batteries, a remote controller, a USB cable, and instructions. Its brushless motor ensures reliable performance and longer durability. Whether for travel or as a gift, the Potensic C0 combines convenience and professional quality. Elevate your aerial photography today. Number 1. F7 Professional GPS Drone. The F7 GPS drone is a professional-grade camera drone packed with impressive features. Equipped with a detachable 4K camera, it offers stunning video quality with a 120 degrees field of view and a 3-axis gimbal for smooth, stable footage. With its advanced CMOS sensor, the F7 excels in low light conditions, delivering crisp night footage. Plus, The 5x digital zoom makes it easy to capture shots from a distance. The F7 offers up to 75 minutes of total flight time, thanks to its 3 intelligent 2600 mAh batteries. Whether for travel or fun, the portable design makes it easy to take anywhere. With a 2000 m altitude and 6-level wind resistance, the F7 performs even in challenging environments. Its GPS ensures it safely returns home, no matter what. For those who demand high-quality aerial photography, the F7 is the perfect choice.